Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic of today's video is HVAC and the important topic is with respect to identification of HVAC ducts. On the left hand side of picture you can see the ducts are identified and the right hand side of the picture shows how to identify these ducts. Very important because once you install the ducts, leave it, there are multiple ducts and the maintenance team wants to know what it is to be done, some modification required later. How will they know which duct is for what, which duct is for what application? And the identification is meant for that same purpose. The identification tags are given to understand which duct is doing what are the application of those ducts. So I'm going to look at this today. These are the labels or identification tags. You can see these are the arrows. You can write below and I can show you that one example. These are the arrows with different colors. This is for conditioned air. This arrow is for hazardous air. This arrow is for exhaust air. This arrow is for hot air. This arrow is for cold air. This arrow is for outside air. This arrow is for warm air. This arrow with this color is for foul air. And you can have others and you can write that particular application if they are not in this. So these are some of the ducts I can say. You can see over here. This is outside air, outside warm air, outside fresh air, that is same as outside warm air, and you can see a yellow arrow over here which is coming down. This is an extract air. You can see a duct, a clear information on this sticker of exhaust air and with an arrow of gray. This is how the ducts have to be labeled, identified, so that in a matter of course of life of the building, you are able to identify the ducts properly. So hope this video finds you good, and I request you to please subscribe and enroll my course which is on good installation practices of HVAC system. The links are in the description box. Please click the link and take full benefit of it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.